We are up here and we are working on the new pedestals for the railings. Mitch is working on the railings. He's bringing up his new railings right now. Yeah. Where were they? Glasses? Glasses?
Yeah, I'll need them too. All it is filler. Seems to have calmed down a bit. All it is filler. All it is filler.
Okay, so we have dug out the concrete here and put a hole down for the railing post, galvanized steel. And we've got the same over here. And then we will contour in new cement to match the old cement. Do what? Pull over? Okay, let go. Okay. Good. Okay. So we just got dumped on with thunder, lightning, rain, and hail. You see here we've got railing going down to the rail below. And there. So all is going to work out very nicely. Cutting the steel pipe to length and then grinding out the galvanizing to weld it. And there goes the concrete for the second footing. Looking pretty good. And we have our concrete for the new walkway. We decided to clean up the walkway over on this side here, so we broke out, there's the old walkway there, we broke it out from there over to here, and it actually was over here, and there were a couple of scabbed on pieces. I think I have old video I can insert here. And then a new railing that comes up and into the side. You can see the side is marked for a base plate to attach with. But anyway, we decided to bring it out to meet this line here and a break in the old slab. And then over to that, and everything else in between was broken out. Then what we did was this here piece was about 1.5 inches high. So we took a flat bar and a couple of flat tools and got halfway or 2/3 under it, pulled all the dirt out, and then got myself and Mitch to jump up and down on this a couple of times, and we have a really good match now. When you put the 4-foot level across here, it's got slope, but it is flat. And the whole thing is flat now, which is real nice. And it all slopes away from the house. So anyway, that is working out very nicely. Okay, so finished with the concrete walkway, and let's just give you a look at Mitch's new railings up there. See the railings over at the new small columns are level with the railings over the garage and that area. And you can see the steel railings here are looking really nice. And you can see that they are level with each other pretty much. So yeah, those look good and they're pretty solid. So then, just finished doing this bit of concrete work here, but we had to bust out a bunch of old concrete in this area here, and then we dug out about 2/3 of the way under that old piece of concrete, an inch down, and then jumped up and down on top of it, both Mitch and I, to compress it, and that got it so that with a 4-foot level, it is flat through there. So we have a nice slope going out and over, and everything is looking really nice here. That was about 10 bags of ready mix. So then one thing we did here is we had a breakout there. So we just matched up the cement with that and then cut the expansion joint there. And now it looks all nice and like it always belonged there. So we are just going to kind of leave it at this. It's late. We're both beat. It's almost 7 o'clock. But the walkway turned out really good. It never had a nice walk through the from the side to the front of the house before, so that did a pretty good job with it. Okay. So then we have these railings here, the unknown mechanic made, and there's the other bag of concrete that we put there. The posts go 16 inches down. You see how the 45-degree welded pipe goes there, and then you see the columns that Mitch made here to match the existing columns. So everything is working out very, very nicely. I can get a better position here. Okay. So there you go. You can see how the columns look on the porch there. And how they match in with the existing columns. Okay. Time to call it a day. And then Mitch made up a piece to blend in there and fix the old repair, and then also he fixed the bulge in the old wood here. You see how the old column bulges out, so he's got the trim on here and then just filled the corners with Bondo. This here's Bondo down here too. And you see the railings up there, and so anyway, it meets the rental safety codes now. Okay, so we are done. Yeah, that is good. This is the house before we began working on it. And you can see the 3 columns up there, the short wall to the right side of the porch where we put the new white railings above that, and on the left side, new railings on the stairs below and the new additional columns on the stairs above. This is another similar house. The style is American Four Square, and it was a popular working man's house. Several of them were built in the area, but you see the similar construction, 3 columns on the porch, and this is a remodeled one, done much more nicely. They have the a taller roof. If you look at the dormer windows out front, you can see their taller windows and more ceiling space inside. It has the same scrolling on the columns and a nice porch. This is an example of a really nice version. It has a full second level and then a third level where the dormers are. There's 4 dormers, one on each center of the wall, and it makes for an interesting roof line. But they are a really nice house, and they provided a porch that you can sit on in front, and just a really nice house. Look at all the ornate corbels in the roof line. Okay, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed the series of videos remodeling the front porch area of this house and building in new safety railings. There were, I think, 5 videos in total on this, and I might have one more completion finished to look at it. So, alright, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you want to keep watching videos about how to remodel and fix your house and travel and do other things. Alright, thanks for watching.